bad for you to do some woodworking, eh? Granted, I'm only doing a bit of sanding, but couldn't ask for a better view to get some work done. Let's get into it. So just taking a 5-minute breather, thought I'd show you guys the other side of the camera. So this is the barn outside where I've been working. Well, this is the inside. As you can see, it's full of all sorts of random stuff. There's a couple more lean-tos outside full of wood and tractors and that sort of thing. So it's a bit cluttered, but it's nice, and it's don't need to worry about being dirty because it's already dirty. Don't need to worry about the noise because the neighbours don't care. We're in the country. They're used to it. They're farmers and the like, so no sensitive souls in the inner city to disturb. So yeah, just thought I'd take you guys through what is behind me in the brick shed, and nothing fancy, but it's pretty nice. And again, can't complain about that view, can you? So let's get back to some sanding.